Do your braids turn out loose, uneven, or messy? Maybe you think you need more talent, more products, or more expensive tools, but the real problem is that you're braiding without a system. Today, you'll learn the 5 actions professional braiders use to create clean, comfortable, long-lasting, and visually flawless braids. Think of braiding like following a recipe. The final result may change, but the fundamental actions always remain the same. Part, grip, feed, hide, and seal. When you master these 5 actions, you can identify exactly what you need to correct. Let's begin with the foundation of every braid, a clean section. An uneven part can make even a well-executed braid look amateur. To create your part, use a fine, precise rat tail comb. Start by drawing one continuous guideline. Then correct only what is necessary. Avoid scraping the scalp over and over again. Apply gel intentionally, not excessively. Every strand of hair that crosses the line affects the symmetry. Hold the comb like a pencil and clean up the section with precision. Make sure the width remains consistent. The sections should relate to one another rather than look isolated. A neat foundation makes the finished hairstyle look more professional. Once the part is complete, it's time to control your grip. A braid that is too loose will lose its definition and won't last as long, but too much tension can cause pain and damage the hair. The goal is to achieve precision without sacrificing comfort. Work mainly with 3 fingers on each hand. Your thumb and index finger control the base. Your middle finger guides the exchange. Your hands should look active but never stiff. Relax your shoulders and wrists so you can maintain precision for longer. Apply continuous, gentle, and even tension. Don't suddenly tighten the braid to correct a grip that started out too loose. Always check how your client feels. The correct grip should feel secure, not painful. With feed, the most common mistake is adding too much hair at once. The extension should never appear suddenly. Prepare small portions before you begin. Always start with the smallest amount. Introduce the extension underneath the strand you are already controlling. Complete the movement before feeding in more hair, then gradually increase the amount. The transition should feel natural from the root to the length of the braid. Think of a smooth curve, not a step. Constantly compare both sides to maintain symmetry. When it's done correctly, no one should be able to see where the extension begins. Now, we need to fully integrate the natural hair. If the natural hair remains exposed, the braid will lose its uniform appearance. Separate the extension to create a wrap around the natural hair. Keep the natural hair in the center. Then wrap the extension around it with every movement of the braid. Don't wait until you find a loose end to correct it. When the hair colors are different, the coverage needs to be even more precise. Slow down as you approach the point where the natural hair ends. The result should look seamless, polished, and protected. The final step is to secure your work with a proper seal. Without the correct sealing technique, even a well-made braid can come apart. The right method depends on the style, the material, and the desired result. Hot water can help seal many types of synthetic hair, remove any excess water, and handle the ends carefully. Elastic bands work well for styles that require a visible or temporary hold. Beads can secure the braid while also personalizing the final look. Before finishing, check that all the ends have a consistent length. A proper seal protects the design and elevates the overall presentation. Now you know the 5 actions. Next, you'll learn how to use them to diagnose mistakes. When a braid doesn't turn out correctly, stop guessing. If the base looks messy, check your part. If the braid is loose, check your grip. If there's a bump, check your feed. If natural hair is sticking out, check your hide. If the end is coming apart, check your seal. Practice one action at a time, and every braid will show you exactly how to improve. Subscribe, save this video, and start training your technique with the 5 action system.